What is going on, guys? Movie star chef Ricky here, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you could take the most classic breakfast style meal and transform it into movie star chef status. Some vanilla extract. Now I like a lot of vanilla extract, but if you don't like the taste, if it's too strong for you, just put a little bit. I'll put about a tablespoon or two. Okay, and here's some Splenda. Okay, so I'm gonna put some stevia. This is another optional ingredient. You don't have to put it if you don't like it. 100 grams of blueberries we're going to put in after we put in the French toast. Okay, ready? Okay, so you can see that some of them are already looking like they're done, but we're gonna keep going until that juice comes out of the blueberries. Okay, so there they are. Look how amazing that looks. You guys are gonna love these. I highly recommend this recipe. This is gonna be your favorite French toast recipe. Trust me.